challenging. We had to fly. I think it's well known that we had to fly on 4, 5, 6 different flights. That we couldn't get the players on one flight, so players flew out on different times and arrived in Scotland at different times. But once we got everybody together again, the plan was in place to freshen up the guys, to get them ready, and I think everybody is ready. So the original travel was a bit challenging, but we had enough time, in my view, to recover well. It's always nice to sleep in your own bed and being around your own people, and from that point of view, but it does add different pressure as well. So I think sitting on a plane and traveling is always challenging, but the players has done it over and over, and we got good recovery protocols in place, and I'm sure the biggest challenge sometimes is just physically, like when we played Glasgow the last time. We had in that week we had a lot of stomach virus running in the team. So there's always risk on a plane for those things. But we're fortunate at this stage, by God's grace, everybody is healthy and looking forward to it. So so I don't think we can blame the travel for the result. I think it's still in our control, and hopefully we can perform well.
Dankie.
Dankie.
Clinton in die slaap geraak.
Lyk vir my so.
Ek dink almal is klaar, Johan. Ek weet nie.
Okay. Dankie julle met 'n mooi dag hê.
Sterkte daar vir môre.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks, Akker. Bye.
Bye-bye.